Hello everybody, right here at studio with my beautiful Sarah Lucero.
We are here and we are excited to be with you on Dos Latinas because we have an amazing guest to introduce to you today who's going to tell you all about staying beautiful and maintaining your beauty well into your 30s, 40s, 50s, 60s, you name it. Her name is Savvy and she is with Dr. Sherry's medical spa called Anew You, and welcome to Dos Latinas, Savvy.
Thank you so much for having me, ladies. I appreciate the opportunity to be here.
So I know that you are one of the representatives for Dr. Sherry, and I want you to tell us a little bit about the practice.
Okay, absolutely. So Anew You was opened by Dr. Sherry in June of 2015. We are a medical aesthetics and total wellness clinic. We do everything from Botox to non-surgical facelifts to hormone replacement. We're located right here in beautiful San Antonio, Texas.
And I can tell you that I'm one of those patients that are in the hormone replacements because I want everyone to know that the reason why I feel so good and I have so much energy is thank you to Dr. Sherry, because she is the one that has taken the time to help me going through my entire changes as I get younger. What do you think, Sarah?
Say that.
Well, the thing is that people may be wondering about getting checked themselves and wondering, well, maybe I need hormone replacement or maybe I should consider Botox. And it's something that you guys welcome. You say you invite people to come in and have a consultation without any obligation.
Absolutely. So year-round, we offer free consultations at the clinic. So you can come in, kind of get to know the staff, Dr. Sherry herself, the atmosphere, make you feel comfortable. We bring you in one-on-one with one of our highly trained professional staff members, and they sit down and they speak to you kind of what's going on, what can we help you with today, and you're able to have that confidential meeting, which is fantastic. And then from there, we're able to give you the list of services or procedures that we offer there that may be helpful to you.
Sarah and myself been there many times, right, Sarah?
Oh, she has a wonderful clinic. You love visiting. You feel right at home. She has couches. I mean, it's a very inviting and welcoming place. You don't have to go and feel like you're going into a sterile medical environment. It's very welcoming.
And everyone there is very friendly. And what's nice about it, Sarah, is that they offer so much. And every time that we go back to the clinic, it's like they have a new service. Can you tell us a little bit about the newest service that you are offering today?
Yeah, absolutely. So right now at the clinic, we're actually promoting more so the V-Lift special. And what that is actually Dr. Sherry's signature treatment. It's something she's perfected, and she's actually only, I think, one of the doctors that does this combination. And what it is a non-surgical face and neck lift. So you don't have to go under the knife to get that lift that a lot of women are looking for. And it is used by subdermal heat on your body, as well as radio frequency and pedio threads. So the combination of all three of those is kind of what gives you that lift, and it happens to be Dr. Sherry's specialty.
Wow, you know what? I have heard of many beautiful women that have done that. And what is so nice about it that when they're finished, it's like so refreshing, Sarah.
Yeah.
You know, their face looks so refreshing, and you know, it's not going under the knife. That's the beauty about it. What do you think, Sarah?
Well, I think more and more women and even men are interested in non-surgical procedures to enhance, you know, maybe a little bit of a sag here or, you know, blotchy skin or wrinkles. And so that's something that Dr. Sherry does specialize in. She offers so many different treatments that are non-surgical.
Absolutely. I think more so nowadays than ever, we're seeing people that want to find the alternatives of going under the knife. Because first and foremost, our clientele are busy men and women, and they can't really take off the time needed to recover from such an intense surgery, but they do want the effect. So to be able to offer something like that where they can come in, get it done, and they're looking at minimal to like no downtime is something revolutionary, and I think definitely draws in a large number of patients.
You know, I think one of the things that I really love about Dr. Sherry and her med spa is, you know, we talked about how welcoming it is, but she really does this service, does this profession because she loves what she does. She loves helping women feel their best.
Mm-hmm. Absolutely.
And what is so nice about it, Sarah, is that, like you said, you know, you get your procedure done and you're going to be down only maybe 2 days. So your procedures are usually like going in late Thursday, rest Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and you're good to go to work on Monday. And what's important too is that I've known a few people that have gone under the knife, Sarah, and their procedure usually lasts only a year and a half to 2 years.
Ooh.
It just really depends on the person because everybody is different. But they pay 10 times more money going under the knife than what you pay just not going under the knife. What do you think, Sarah?
I mean, I think the prices are great. I mean, for what you can get, I mean, you might have to get some maintenance after a year or 2 or 3 years, but it's definitely worth it because you save a lot more money as long as you can.
Absolutely.
But what I think is more important too is that everyone, including gentlemen, it's important that after you reach a certain age, we always have to invest money in ourselves, Sarah. I think that you and myself, we, especially you, Sarah, you're staying so healthy and maintaining yourself so healthy, but we always need that little special touch-up. Whether it's a little bit of Botox or, eyebrow lift or your, underneath your eyes or your little cheekbones to be a little more lifted up. And Dr. Sherry offers all of those procedures, correct?
Correct. We offer a lot of different procedures and people from all ages come in for them. I feel as if we're seeing more and more younger clientele come in for filler and for Botox as a preventative cause. And then of course the upkeep. And really, I mean, there's so much offered at the clinic that it draws in so many different patients. We do things such as O shots and P shots. We do things such as PRP hair restoration, cool sculpting, which permanently removes fat cells. So the range that Dr. Sherry offers is really uncomparable to, so many other clinics that maybe just do Botox or filler. We kind of offer a very large and extensive list, so it fits every patient that needs a treatment.
And the nice thing about it is that when you get to know Dr. Sherry, she makes you feel at home.
She really does. So if somebody wanted to find out more about Dr. Sherry's Med Spa, Anew You, where do they go? Where do you keep your information on the website, social media?
Yeah, absolutely. So we actually are very influential on social media. We have an Instagram page, we have a Twitter, we have a TikTok, we have a Snapchat. So we try to stay active on all platforms. And then of course our website as well. And all of that is just Anew You SA.
And what I'm going to highly recommend for everybody is that really, for 21, do something for yourself. Go out there and take care of yourself, pamper yourself. I remember that when I reached 50 years old, I started getting the hot flashes, Sarah. It was so uncomfortable. I mean, it was just, and I always been very positive, very active, worked out, and no matter what I did, those hot flashes always drove me crazy until one day I came in to do my little, Botox on the side of my eyebrows, because after 50, you need a little help you can get. And Dr. Sherry says, let me take care of you. And she came and she took a little bit of my blood. They found out where my hormones were and they fixed the pellet and put it in me, and it changed my life.
Yeah.
I cannot stop talking about it because it just changed my life. It gave me so much more energy. I just feel better. I felt like I was 20 years old.
I can vouch for her. She has nonstop energy. This lady can go 24 hours. So she's getting that energy somewhere.
Thank you, Dr. Sherry. But anyway, so what are your specials that you're having for the holidays?
So for the holidays, we are having a couple different specials. For the month of November, we had some really great specials on cool sculpting that we are carrying into December. We're having some Black Friday deals, which will be disclosed next week with our email blast. But really, we're trying to focus on services that people get often, so that way they can save a little bit of money for the holidays and come in and treat themselves right.
Okay, I have to ask this question, okay? I know that you're going to do the little email blast.
Yes.
I never check my emails. I'm the worst to check my emails. Can you tell everybody a little secret here at Those Latinas? What is one of the specials that you guys are going to have for Black Friday? Because everybody looks forward for Black Friday. I'm looking forward for Black Friday myself, right, Sarah?
Oh, yes, we are. She's not going to tell us. Okay, so then I guess people have to go to the website, sign up for the email.
The email, yes, ma'am.
To get notifications and check your emails.
I try because I know that Dr. Sherry is going to have something amazing. Okay, so you go to the website, you register,
Yes.
you will get an email because it is exclusive, and I can see why it's exclusive because she's very busy. She's becoming very popular. Everybody wants her service. I personally would need to see her, and it's like I can't not get in because she's always traveling, she's so busy. So timing is important. So it is important for you to register yourself. All right, so would you like to tell us what is your favorite procedure?
Oh, okay. I think my favorite procedure has to be the vampire facelift. So that's really amazing. It's something that's really popular in Hollywood, became popular through Kim Kardashian herself, actually. And what it is using your own blood, and they take it and they spin it, and they actually use it as a facial mask, and it promotes so much regenerative properties, and it just makes your skin glow, and the fact that your own body can produce something like that is just absolutely amazing.
Well, I had it done, and I have to tell you, it is amazing. It does sound a little scary, and when they put it on you, you do look a little funny. But after that, you know, it is a huge difference. I saw a huge difference in my face. You know, it's just like a whole bunch of just, you know, just the glow. It was just
Right.
amazing. You see that right away. All right, Sarah, so tell everybody right here at Dos Latinas, what procedure have you done yourself lately? Because you always look so amazing, Sarah.
I was actually just talking to Savvy about that and telling her that I'm going to go in and have a consultation and see what I might need for the holidays. So it's actually been such a long time. So I haven't had really anything done in a long time. But what I did try, the most recent thing, and I absolutely loved it, was a lip flip.
Oh,
Like the rest of the night kiss little lip flip. So you put a little bit of lip filler on the top lip, especially as you're getting older, your lips thin out, and then you have the little wrinkles on the lips, and especially your top lip, and in my case, my top lip, because I don't have a lot of lips. And so to have a little bit of filler, just a tiny bit, we don't want, you know, big lips, it was just perfect. But I think it's time to go back for some more.
But Sarah, the big lips are in style.
Oh my gosh, I can't take that step. It looks pretty on some other women, but I can't do it.
That's the big trend right now. It's like the big lips,
Yes.
you know. And I mean, I think some of the women do look amazing with the big lips, you
Yeah,
know.
yes.
I mean, I went over there and I got my lips retouched because of the same reasons, Sarah. I've lost so much weight that, you know, the weight, obviously, when you lose weight, it's going to be completely all over your body. So my lips getting just a little bit too thin, and you're right, you know,
Yeah.
you get the little creases around the lips. So I went in there, and just in a snap of a little finger, I came out looking bonita. So I do love Dr. Sherry. Wow, that's wonderful. Okay, so stay tuned, register, because you do deserve a nice little Christmas present. I think everyone needs to pamper themselves, including gentlemen, because I know that you guys have a lot of gentlemen there as customers, right?
Yes, we do. I like to say it's almost half and half.
Wow. It's a pretty good split.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, and you know, the fun thing is if you're considering or if you're curious about what is it like at a med spa to have something done at a med spa, well, why don't you consider just having a facial done? While you're there getting that done, you might talk about a little Botox. I mean, I know that some of the friends that I've had over the years, the first thing they tried was maybe a little Botox in that the little crease that we have above in the middle of our eyebrows. And once you do that, then it opens the door to a lot of other things, but I mean, you'll never regret it.
That's wonderful. Well, if anybody is wondering why is it that Sarah Lucero and Lorena Monroe always look so bonita at Dos Latinas, is because of Anew You Spa with Dr. Sherry. Dr. Sherry, thank you so much for always making sure that I look flawless and making me look so bonita, and I look so beautiful because of
Marvelous.
you, and you know, I have a lot of energy, and my husband is very grateful to you because he says, wow, you gotta keep going to Dr. Sherry for the little Harmon palette. So that's a wonderful thing. Well, thank you so much for being here on our show, Sarah.
Yes, thank you for being with us and sharing all the services and the information for Anew You Med Spa and Dr. Sherry. And hopefully a lot of you will be encouraged to, you know, look her up and give her a call and schedule a consultation.
All right. Thank you so much for having me, ladies.
Thank you for being at Dos Latinas. Stay tuned for our next guest. Hasta la vista.